buddy. Got one on now.
I hear you.
Yeah, man, it's a weird day. It's an overcast day. We caught stripers and catfish. Marking some nice marks right now, but there's so many people up on this lake, and we're having that festival this evening.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and we're marking some good scattered marks, but I don't know, man. It's just it's rough fishing up here right now. Wind's blowing. It's been mist raining on and off.
Yeah, I thought about coming up there, and then every time I think about it, the wind goes to whipping down there.
No, it's not bad. I mean, it's not bad up here. You got to get a little breeze. I mean, it's got better.
Yeah.
But one guy, he had a big school up here this morning, right out from Ivy Hill. That's where we're at. Need some help, bud? No. And I mean, there's some good scattered marks here. Randy, that's striper too. Sure is. Hold on a minute, let me get the net. Go ahead and walk to the front. Oh, shit. Shoot, yeah, good striper. Good job, baby.
Holy shit. Damn.
Did it wear you out, buddy?
I ain't lying.
I got you. Watch this. Put another one in the boat, Randy. I said we put another one in the boat.
So you're all up there at Ivy Hill now?
Yeah, right here at the Eagles Point. Yeah, 10-4. Hold it up over in front of the camera. I gotta get some stuff on camera.
I'm a little bit hit in about 30 minutes. We don't do nothing. We gone.
10-4. Green on green. Fishing with triple threat.